Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to remove a mower deck assembly in a Cub Cadet XT1 lawnmower with a 46-inch deck. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. This mower includes a manual PTO lever for the deck drive belt to engage the blades. We will begin this procedure by disconnecting the deck drive belt from the engine pulley. Next, we will remove the cotter pin to release the deck lift rod. We will then remove 2 cotter pins to release the right rear lift arm. We will then remove 2 cotter pins to release the left rear lift arm. The cotter pin attached to the PTO cable is removed. The PTO cable is then removed from the bracket on the deck. The deck was then pulled out on the right side of the lawnmower to gain access to remove the PTO cable spring from the idler bracket on the deck. At this point, the deck will be completely free. To begin the reinstallation process, the PTO cable spring is again attached to the idle bracket on the deck. The PTO cable is then attached to the bracket on the deck with the cotter pin. The left lift arm is then attached to the frame and cotter pins installed. The right lift arm is attached to the frame and cotter pins installed. The deck lift rod is attached to the deck and cotter pin installed. The deck drive belt is installed over the engine pulley. The final check is that the deck drive belt is properly installed on the deck pulleys. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.